Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by plugging the Chromecast into an HDMI port and powering it. Make sure the TV input matches that port. Once done, connect your phone or laptop to the same Wi-Fi network as the Chromecast and open the Google Home app to detect the device. You must accept any prompts and name the Chromecast so you recognize it later. This gets you into the setup flow quickly. Don't skip network confirmation, because casting depends on both devices being on the same network. You control settings in Google Home. Assign a room, accept permissions, and update firmware if prompted, because updates fix latency and compatibility. Next, open a casting-enabled app like YouTube or Netflix. Tap the cast icon and pick your Chromecast. If using a computer, open Chrome, choose Cast from the menu, then select the Chromecast and pick Tab, Desktop, or File. Make sure Bluetooth is off on conflicting hubs, and adjust TV picture mode for best quality once the streams start. To finish, confirm audio routes to TV or external speakers and tweak picture mode for motion or color. This improves viewing immediately. When you want to stop, use the app Stopcast, the Chrome toolbar, or press the Chromecast remote home button. If streaming fails, power cycle the TV, router, and Chromecast first. If that doesn't help, factory reset the Chromecast from Google Home. This clears persistent issues. Use reset only when necessary, because it returns the device to fresh setup state and erases saved settings.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.